Stremio fans, get ready. Here's how to master add-ins like a pro in 2025. First up, what are Stremio add-ons? Think of them as plugins that connect your Stremio app to a treasure trove of content. There are two types: official add-ons, maintained by Stremio, and community add-ons, created by the Stremio community. Installing them is a breeze. Download and install Stremio from their official site. Open the app, hit the add-ons button, look for the puzzle piece icon. Browse or search, find the add-on you like, and click Install. Easy, right? Once installed, Stremio integrates the content from your add-ons automatically. Search for your favorite shows or explore the Discover section. Click on Content and choose your preferred stream. For 2025, don't forget, use a VPN for third-party add-ons and consider debrid services for a smooth, buffer-free experience. Keep your add-ons updated for the best performance, and there you have it, your ultimate guide to Stremio add-ons.